My name is Isabella, and I love salad greens. I like growing them, and I love eating them. My brother does too. In our school garden, we learned how to grow leafy greens, and then we harvested them, and my school used the lettuce we grew to make the salads they serve us for lunch. It was the best salad ever. It was my favorite school lunch of all time. This spring, I planted my very own salad garden. This is my salad garden. It was really easy to grow. You just put the seeds in the soil, water, and watch them grow and grow and grow. My favorite part of growing lettuce is harvesting it and then making delicious fresh salads. They're really healthy, but I just like the way they taste. My brother is a really good cook, so he's going to make me my all-time favorite school lunch, garden greens salad with the salad dressing I love. And he's making it with all the lettuce I grew. I think that's pretty cool. I really love salads. Next year, I'm gonna grow enough lettuce so we can have salads every day at school. I just love salads. Funded by the United States Department of Agriculture,
in partnership with Rootopia and Food Hero for the Oregon Department of Education.
For more information, search Oregon Harvest for Schools.